Thanks for your interest in Glassbeam. The first section of this video covers Glassbeam's solutions for support. Sections 2 and 3 cover solutions for sales and services business units, and Section 4 covers solutions for engineering and quality assurance. Let's have a look at how the Glassbeam workbench can help your sales and services organizations increase customer satisfaction, while at the same time reducing both cost and risk. Back at Acme Corporation, the Sales and Services Group has received a letter from the Vice President of Operations at Global Trading Corporation, who expresses his disappointment about the apparent unreliability of Acme's systems. The letter quotes a loss of millions of dollars because of failed transactions caused by performance glitches in the storage system. Acme's Vice President of Services has asked her team to find out how many other customers are experiencing similar issues and which disks on systems at those companies have the suspect firmware. She needs to assess the exposure and launch a focused plan to proactively address the issue to avoid a customer satisfaction catastrophe. Customer relationship management systems display incomplete, stale, and sometimes inaccurate data, but with Glassbeam Workbench at her disposal, getting this information is a matter of a few minutes. The Glassbeam Workbench allows the services engineer to search for the specific information he needs and to find it very quickly. Here he selects the disk object and navigates the list to find the disk manufacturer. Discovering the split of the disk population by manufacturer is just a matter of dragging this attribute onto the landing bar. Now our services engineer proceeds to drag disk model and disk firmware revision levels onto the bar. It looks like A1650 on Seagate A3270 disks is running on quite a few drives out there. He quickly switches over to the charting area and selects a donut chart. He can see that nearly a fifth of the disk population is affected. He quickly switches back to the table view and filters the data to view only the bad firmware, and then drags the customer name and serial number onto the table. As quickly as that, he now has a reliable list of customers to report to the Vice President, along with a list of the systems at those companies that are running the suspect disks. The Vice President will then start the process of contacting those customers to schedule a firmware upgrade, instead of waiting for them to bring their complaints to her. Glassbeam Workbench has turned a potential customer relationship catastrophe into an opportunity for Acme's services organization to reach out proactively to customers, showing that Acme is ahead of the curve. Acme has saved time and money for themselves and for a large number of their customers, and turned a potential disaster into a success story. No wasted cycles, no wasted time, no customer frustration. The result? Satisfied customers, valuable time and money saved, and a potential public relations disaster averted.